Okay, so yung next natin tutorial yung for loop. So yung for loop, ito yung definition. So when you know exactly how many times you want to loop through a block of code, use the loop instead of while loop. So kapag alam nyo kung ilan yung ilo-loop nyo, gagamitin nyo yung for loop kasi i-declare nyo yung kung hanggang kailang ilo-loop. So for example 8, pag nirun natin hanggang 8. So ayun, ito yung for loop. So tignan natin yung syntax. For, tapos int, i-declare nyo kung ilan yung yung okay, so wait. Okay, statement 1, statement 2, statement 3. So code of blocks of code execute. So in statement 1, para madaling ma-explain. So yung statement 1, so execute one time lang before execute code of blocks. So okay, so ito yung laging i-increment. So every time na sa loob, ipa-plus to lagi hanggang ito yung condition, ma-meet yung condition. So pag tinignan nyo to, diba 0, dineclare natin muna siya na 0, tapos hanggang maging maging false to yung statement na to, tapos increment ng plus plus. Tapos kapag wala na siya sa condition, tapos na yung loop, ibig sabihin. So ito yung for loop. So doon naman tayo sa for each. So tira tayo sa for each loop. So yun, ito lang, madali lang naman, diba? Okay,